Ebusuya asem abawo. Prophet Roja enho akire no. Ni nyina ne se obeka ya na 3 days. Prophet Roja kokko pie mu e Captain Smart show so. Amodi nsem bi to dwa say ya papa President Kuffour Captain Smart enkono nko hia no. Na wankontem a ewiem abie. Wankontem ewiem beto ewiem koto a onkonkoto eye ya papa Kuffour. Now so we read meanings into the all kana. Ase or per se or chire say ya papa Kuffour enche bia no be flat as fast as so akọ. It's a Captain Smart ankontem na wakwanko tie asem a e wo se okotie Africa ya papa Kuffour hono mo a obekọ no na kese ewiem aka to nya say ya papa Kuffour kọ. Na we no san so kan say chama Wontumi wa hu wia ehunhun ya say o shatade tuntum a ye de ankopegu ne sajede in 15 years. We na MPP for ni bi ane Ghana for ni bi. You can MPP for Ghana for ni bi. Ever but no say massa you dey talk too much. You dey talk too much because every time no na onim bibia esi. Bibia na wona wo kan ye. Unsolve, have solution to any problem that. Every time no the bad things pen na hu. And Ghana for buefu papa. Na ebusuya be ba be video bi a kire o man bi a sending strong warning. E dey akokoma eye Ghana so for ba ko ono no se wa ben pa a ne din e di fire oja. Na ebusuya ye ko hwehwe video no na se be ko video ni mu no. Be ka wo say Ghana nsem TV it is oba obe like it obe share na wa kire wa dwen wo comment section ni mu. Na wo wen so a ye Facebook enso e wo hono ma ye promise the blogger also now subscribe to the Facebook no e di amayen now ebusuya ye ko hwe nsem a man yi asomade akoma fire oja na ewia ya ba kire adwen e wo
me ye video we e di ama menua ketewa bi a ye frɛ no osofo Roja wakasa bebiribi metie wo nsem no so bebiribi a woka Captain Smart na woka ne ho asem no assemblyman kura okogina hokura na obi ani wo beto aba ama no Captain Smart impo general manager station na wo ho no yesi ye to aba ape obi am na ye general manager kura Captain Smart wonya Roja na kenyame de wo kopa o ba wan hwe a wonsem bi a wokeka no ebeja wo kwam me huni se opre dodo Roja opre dodo nya abotre wate ne susu bi wa no keka nsem President Kuffour a woka no ho asem se mununkum bi abue se katuma Captain Smart onkoto no President Kuffour person kire se enche President Kuffour bi obetimi afirim but let me tell you something President Kuffour ofiri mu enye news o bebia papa no obo ne bera koduru no one wanyini 86 years number 2 sabi no ho mfa no enti sabi sa wo kan ne sesi a wo kan ne na 1 minute time kura Kuffour ofiri mu a sabi enye news shankom sa abrantie bi sabi da say ube film ni ehunu se eno de bemu a ni ehunu se wo kan na papa we ya wabo ne bere awie baabi a wanyina koduri sabi no nsa mfa no no ofiri mu a eno na ye news ne nwanwa ne sei ye nyinsen obi aba wiase ya wo no 3 months pepe wo ofiri mu eno nso etu nsem bia wo keka no nyambotre wate hwe ye Roja na okasa no eya adoso from radio station to radio station dia na ope the old big town on the Captain Smart ye nyina no age obi asabi onim nyansa ipadodo na o madwene wo fie o madwene wo fie no ehun se eye sentence de na nwanwa na Kristo som no ye wo mu ahodo ba miensa ye wo mu ofom mu adwene emre ani ye wo mu aka asem a ode toto no ma bi ho no se no asem a wo kan say ne eko ani ye wo bi aka asem kura na ono na adwen ba bi a wosua de akodiri no obuni se ye bola Roja nyambotre na wo predodo ewiase se wo pre wo ho a opai se pompo nyambotre o rush too much wo so start nyamedwuma wanya 27 years na wo Roja na wo mfie sei wo mfie sei ense udi atoro o kasa bibiribi kasa dodo so enfomso mpam wo mfie sei I don't think it's 40 years kura ubinya Enti se wo start your 27 years at tifre se mfie ni mu ye. Wo ye metiri ba ba mi nsa. Na botre na me pagya wo but o kasa ne do so do Roja. Hwe wo no me bi ne tete wo no ma so. Na pe kasa do. Ewiase mo bi o won chan na mo din. Enye wa na yesa o ma ho so sa. O predodo. Ne say set up so a Captain Smart ye ne mprane nya ade o. Ewo mu a obeba be yuto. Ono wo ti o mu asofofo wan kora o. Captain Smart na o won. O mu asofofo wan. Enti se wo so ka ho bidi a ene be very very careful. Oni na ye premier. Da chi bi oba ba beka. Nanse Captain Smart na emu mete se sofo bi a ye frɛ no ayi uchi ka kyerɛ se enche ɔno nso so no ɔbaba be ye MP do hu se ba election bi ne Captain Smart agina na wo ye MP atrosemi a na sa sofo uchi no ɔkɔ Captain Smart kɔ no ɔkan mo anhwɛ yi a mo ka ho bi na manfo no respect ya sofofo no ɛyɛ monu mu nsɛm a mo keka Captain Smart assembly man kro gina wonya me se ye to no so aba se ye pe general manager kra ma na ahwe station na wodo eno kro mu nto aba ma no nyabotre wate na kofu owu enye news wate
it is out here man new year o kire mu say fire oja ye nipa bi a okasa dodo o say since a helicopter crash ba ya e de o mane bu amane mutal defense that MP no temali any other prominent people when is our soldiers for any other dey call ye any sa nipa system kola system omunya accident you be kaya sa kola system bia omunya accident okuma se kwan so yi since that time no sa dey ni see ye no I say fe o ja kire say bibia no o kire say ono kan ye o yes o se bibia see ye bia no kan ye na man ne say what you fire just yeah on can be positive there. It is always negative. And you say I fire just no be positive ebe boa o man Ghana na or say membusa fire just say adentina negativity nkwa no hu but positivity dey on or say se fire just you be a ampanyampani nwane ampase nka hu ade a adentina ohun ne papa pe be si o man ne mu na ne ma bone nko na fi bia no ohun and here papa na tutu bia ma ne papa o kiremu say too much of everything is bad. He talks too much. He's always trying to let people understand, say he sees beyond what we see, but he has never find solution to any of these problems or any. So Ghanaians and some people are saying that a year, you see, why you be a year? You can't why you be a twaso. You see why you be a year? It is something country fire will just say, enough is enough. Or say, enough is enough. Because you've been talking about how people are going to buy, how people are going to this, how people are going to be that. But there is no solution. Unfa solution to all these things are what can end by. And I kind of funny people say, adentina unhu papa when him kwana de bia unhu. Uti de meka ni almost me busa for just say adentina unhu papa de bia bonu no unhu no hu bone no so a no solution. No solution. Etu almost ma say be ya and de yedin because you say when you hu anya den at that time. It's still amaninsi because if you say it and you can't find solution to it, then amaninsi that's what they are saying. I'm not the one saying it. I'm not the one saying it. That is what Ghanaians are saying. What you are saying? What you are saying? And you almost say, I should tell Fire or just say, Boga, you've been on this social media platforms. You've been in your church. We've seen a lot of videos from church service away. But Ghanaians are saying that all the things you've spoke about, how people are going to unalive, how people are going to buy, how people are going to this, that, and it's, you see, it's always about people buying. He hasn't said anything about how the country is going to prosper, how the country is going to develop, what he sees in the future about the country. It's always about negativity. So people are even asking, say, is he a prophet of doom? Because he doesn't see anything positive. It's always negative. It is always negative. Bro, it's a man for boy for papa. A man for a boy for what they say. Fire uja. A beya. Maninsi ya. Na men found someone back for any MPP for so. We and some watch so mama did come here. Fire uja. What do you think in the comment section? Let me know what you also think in the comment section. It is open freely and you can say whatever you want. Do you think Prophet Fire Uja is doing too much? And I said, let me know in the comment section. Hi, Ghana and Asem TV. I'm just so any promise.